Hey, what is up guys, C Army here. Today we're going to learn how to connect to Ratchet and Clank Side Smiles Online infrastructure using the PPSSPP infrastructure emulator build for Android devices. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a browser or any type of browser that you have. Then we're going to type in on the search bar static.socom.cc. So that's SOCOM.cc. So once you hit go, it's going to present you with these 4 folders here. And this is where we're going to get the PPSSPP infrastructure build to connect online. We're going to type on PPSSPP folder. Then next we're going to type on infra Android. Then we're going to type on the file that says PPSSPP 1.13.1. It's going to ask you to download. Go ahead and download that. Then let it install and install for the first time. I already have it installed, so I'm going to hit update. Go ahead and open it up. Once you open up for the first time, it's going to ask you where the PPSSPP files will be located in your files. Once you accept that, it's going to tell you where all the games and all your files will be located. Once you're done with that, you're going to hit exit. And the second step we're going to do is go to the Play Store. Then you're going to type in hosts go no root. Host go no root. So keep in mind that this is a non-rooted method. I plan to do a video for rooted methods for those who are rooted. But this is a video for those who are without root. So we're going to tap on the app, no root, host go, and then you're going to hit install. I already have mine installed, so we're going to take a quick look. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open the app. So we're going to go to the app, and this is exactly what it's going to look like. So the first thing we're going to do is click on host editor. Once you click on host editor, you're going to see this IP and domain that I have right here. But you're going to see the first thing is type on the plus sign on the top right corner. So you're going to type on that. You're going to have to type in the IP address and the domain that I'm going to show you right here. So this is the IP address that you're going to have to type. So the IP address is 207.180.247.93. And the domain is ratchetpsp.psp.online.scea.com. Now this version is for the USA version, and for the rest of them, two of them, well, the next one is for the beta version, and the last one is for the Europe version of the game. So if you want to take a screenshot of that, you can. And so there it is. So the next thing we're going to go is to the DNS editor tab. So you're going to tap on that. Tap on the DNS editor. And you're going to see the first time it's going to be opened up with Google DNS. We don't want Google DNS. We're going to have to tap on custom DNS. So the DNS to connect online, we're going to type in 67.222.156.250. So once you type that in, you're going to hit save. Then you're going to have to make sure that you enable host change switch. Make sure you enable that. Make sure you also enable DNS change switch. So once you're all done with that, you're going to have to click start. So once you start, it's going to ask you to enable this. Once you enable that, we're going to head to our game. So we can start to connect to Ratchet and Clank online. So let's go ahead and launch PPSSPP Emulator. So once you have your game ready, you're gonna type on Ratchet and Clank. But before that, I almost forgot to say, is go to your settings, then go to networking, and make sure that enable networking WLAN is all checked off. It's all checked, right? Make sure that's enabled, and we're good to go. Now, if you want, you can change your name here and your nickname. I already have mine, C Army, and so we're good to go. But make sure that enable networking is enabled. So let's go back. Then let's type on Ratchet and Clank. So the game's gonna start here, then it's gonna we're gonna go head to the menu right here, then we're gonna head to multiplayer game. So once we're here, we're gonna click on infrastructure. So select infrastructure, then we're gonna hit X again. So once it's connected, it's gonna present you to the policy page, and then you're gonna get a screen just like this one. Welcome to the PS2 Rewire Online project. This is a DNS custom server to connect to Ratchet and Clank Online. Once you hit accept, you're gonna have to create your own profile. I already have mine created, so we're gonna click your own profile, and then we're gonna click select. So once we wait and it's connected, here's that says size does matter. We're gonna connect online, and we're gonna connect to the lobby. This is the lobby of the Ratchet and Clank Size Myers Online, like back in the day. So this is how you connect to Ratchet and Clank Size Myers Online infrastructure.